Hey guys, how's it going? MW2 Streaks, Chinchilla, full tactical nuke. Shout out to the GOAT Chinchilla. I could not bring you a condensed version of this, guys. It all happens in about 3 minutes or so. I hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.
So far, no stingers either. That's a plus. I might be. These snipers go. I forgot about this glitch right here. Like, they'll keep spawning. Oh, we actually still have a chance though for a nuke. Maybe Lime will come back up again. I think we're just one off our Harriers, so. Oh, nice. You guys spawned in front of me. Oh, let's go. Alright, cool. We'll sit right here. Nice. Alright. Perfect.
Is in the air. Charlie secure. Care package on the way. UAV online.
Nice.
Enemy UAV spotted.
We're actually kind of sucking.
Securing Alpha.
Alright, we can't be too far off.
Securing Alpha.
We're probably really close. Oh my gosh, let's go, boys. I think that was a Lime too we got on.
UAV online. Incoming.
Clipping, shout out to you, Merc. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. GG, yo, GG, J-Rob. Let's go. Yeah, man, that was close too because I think Lime, he walked right in front of me accidentally. I got the final kill on him, and I was gonna shoot the sniper in front of me, but he just walked right in front of me. So, shout out to Lime. At least he didn't cause me to choke like big body hairs. That's funny too. I just joined Lime's session, so major shout out to Lime.